Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you Fortnite game error, Fortnite launch error. AtcExt.sys is loaded, but its file is missing. Please reboot your system to unload the driver. So if you're getting this launch error in Fortnite, or if you're getting the another Fortnite launch error, usbvoxTL64.sys is loaded, but its file is missing. Please reboot your system to unload the driver. So if you're getting this launch error in Fortnite game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PC. This will help you to unload the driver and will fix the issue. So just simply restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the Fortnite game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then next fix is to go to C drive, Windows, System32 drivers, and then rename the AtcExt.sys to AtcExt.sys.old. And if you're getting this usbvoxTL64.sys error, then rename it to usbvoxTL64.sys.old. So if you're getting this error, then you have to rename this file, and if you're getting this error, then you have to rename this file. So here how to do it: open File Explorer, go to C drive, open Windows folder. Now here look for System32. Here it is. Open System32 folder. Then look for the driver folder. Here it is. Open the drivers folder. And now here search for AtcExt. Here it is. Right click on it and then select rename. And then after the sys put .old to rename it, and then hit enter. Now you have to give the administrator permission to rename this file. So click on continue, click as to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the Fortnite game and check if your error is fixed or not. And if you are getting this error, then rename this file name. Go to the same path and here type usbvoxTL64. Here it is. Right click on it and then select rename. And after the sys put .old and rename it, hit enter. Now again you have to allow the administrator permission. So click on continue, click on yes to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if still your problem is not solved, then move to the next fix. The next fix is to try to add the games folder to the antivirus exception list. To do so, in Windows search type Windows Security and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then under the Virus and Threat Protection setting, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down and here you will see this exclusion option. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click yes to allow. Then click on Add an Exclusion and then select the folder option. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So my game is installed in this PC, C drive, Program Files folder, Epic Games folder, Fortnite folder, and then just select the Fortnite game folder and then click on Select Folder. Now you can see the Fortnite game folder has been added to the exclusions. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to disable or uninstall the VPN and antivirus software. So if you're using any kind of VPN software such as Proton VPN, Avast VPN, NordVPN, Webroot, etc., or any kind of VPN, or if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Comodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then you have to disable them or you have to uninstall them and then check. Later you can enable or reinstall the VPN or antivirus software. So I hope by following these 4 fixes you can easily solve Fortnite launch error AtcExt.sys but its file is missing. Please reboot your system to unload the driver, or Fortnite launch error usbvoxTL64.sys is loaded but its file is missing. Please reboot your system to unload the driver. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.